Hello there! Welcome back to the channel. Here is Angelo's latest listing, priced at $829,000, a two-story home with 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a 3-car tandem garage, totaling 3,824 square feet. This special house features a first-floor primary bedroom, plantation shutters throughout, a grand high ceiling, a covered patio, and a backyard fire pit. The seller is open to providing a $10,000 incentive to reduce the buyer's interest rate. The HOA monthly fee is $133, covering amenities such as a gated entrance. Recreation facilities are included in the master plan fee, offering access to the community pool, barbecue area, parks, fitness center, clubhouse, splash pads, basketball court, and playgrounds. Located near Skye Canyon Marketplace, this property offers a convenient location with various stores, dining options, professional services, and more. Before we begin the tour, let me guide you on how to reach Evergreen at Skye Canyon from the Bellagio Fountain. These are the amenities available at Evergreen at Skye Canyon. Schools: Edmundo Eddie Escobedo Senior Middle School, Kenneth Divich Elementary, Arbor View High School. Grocery stores: Las Vegas Farmers Market at Skye Canyon, Smith's Marketplace, Albertsons, Health and Fitness, Skye Fitness, Planet Fitness. Hospitals: ER at Skye Canyon, Centennial Hills Hospital, Pet Care, Canyon Pet Hospital, Island Pet Hospital. This is the home. Before entering, you will notice a clean line design of the roof, the paver leading to your 3-car garage, and a front porch. Upon entering the home, you will be greeted by a hallway leading to the open concept living room. Before reaching the living room, on the left side, you'll find an office area. On the left wing of the hallway, there is a coat closet and a half bathroom. Welcome to your main living area with a grand high ceiling. This is an open floor plan, seamlessly connecting your living room, kitchen, and dining area. This home features a beautifully upgraded kitchen with quartz countertops and white cabinetry. And here's your dining area, where you can enjoy a sumptuous meal while overlooking your beautiful backyard that we will check later. On the right side wing of the house, right after the kitchen area, is where the laundry is located, along with a door leading to your 3-car tandem garage. One of the special features of this house is the first-floor primary bedroom with an ensuite spa shower bathroom. With an upgraded open railing design of the stairs and a double landing, the house appears more spacious and expansive. On the second floor is where the flexible loft game room is located, providing space for all your needs. Also on the second floor is where the 4 secondary bedrooms are located. 2 of the bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bathroom, while the other 2 share a hallway full bathroom. Additionally, the doors in these bedrooms are upgraded to 8-foot doors, and each has its own walk-in closet. And now, let's explore the inviting backyard space. Step outside to discover a covered patio, a welcoming fire pit, and an abundance of lush greenery, creating a truly spacious and tranquil outdoor retreat. This is Angelo's latest listing featuring a $10,000 seller incentive. If you would like to tour this home, please contact Angelo at 725-287-5242.